G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about what happened on the weekend, or last weekend now. Drift Mount Zuri over at the Queensland Raceway was the first ever event that I've been to, and probably the best one I'll ever go to. Honestly, the cars there, the people there, the merch there. Picked up this Sylvia hoodie. It's got like all the, the whole line of Sylvias. I got passenger access in one of the Commodores there. And all in all, I had a great time. There was heaps of drifting. There was heaps of tandems. And there was heaps of cool cars. When I talk about loving JDM cars...
Shut the fuck up!
As you saw a little bit earlier in the video, I got a chance to go in the front seat with one of Australia's specialized stunt drivers, Eugene Anderson. He runs On Track Drift, which is a drifting company. They teach you how to drift. And he also did a little bit of stunt driving for the Mad Max movies. Fun fact, I've never used a camera before. This thing, like, I think 2 hours before the event, I got this. So look, the video is still pretty good from what I can say. But this is the first time I used a camera, so please nothing against me. But I'll just show you guys the clips now. Do you have many other cars, or?
Yeah, quite a few. So we've got not as many as we had because I'm still building more of these. So we've got 3 of these that are running, 2 Skylines, 234 Skylines. We've got another 2 of these that I'm building right now, as well as a new demo car as well.
What are your thoughts on the 350Zs?
Yeah, good little, great little car, man. Especially now, like, if you're learning all that sort of stuff, it's a fantastic little chassis, same as the 370. Like 370's just got that little bit of extra power. You chuck a set of like good coilovers and a good diff with a ratio change, man. They're a fantastic thing. Sweet. All right, here we go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. welcome, mate. No
Oh,
worries.
sick. We got to skip the line as well.
Absolutely. VIPs for you guys.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty cool. You can just skip everyone.
Well, we
makes
run it,
sense.
so.
This is your segment.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they get pissed about it, they're going to come and chat to me.
Yeah.
I don't like you skipping the line. Too bad, mate.
What's the car under the cover over there?
That's my race car. I'll give you a quick little look. It just doesn't have any windows.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's crazy.
So I built this early 2000s. This was my race car in Drift Australia. Right?
Has it been the same engine or different?
Same engine, same still SR20. The only changes from 20 years ago is now running a sequential, and I've got an upgraded turbo on it. But apart from that, it's identical. It's really, really cool. And obviously new ECU. But it's right on the
So I'm not sure how the audio is on here. My camera kind of died, but today came down to the raceway. They got a drifting event going on right now. You see all these cool cars. Honestly, it was sick. Kind of forgot to do the cringy vlog shit before when I had the camera, but honestly, not even sure if you can hear me right now. But I think I have a new favorite car, and it's coming up soon. But that blue guy right there, his car is fucking nice. 86 street pass, holy shit, that was a loud crack. Yeah, oh, he's done it again. Yeah, honestly, like the sickest thing I've seen with my own eyes. My GTA meets are pretty much shit now compared to this shit. But look, it happens again in 6 months. We're coming back here. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. I'll catch you boys in the next one. This thing, like, I don't know what it is about it, but just look at that shit, dude. That shit is fucking popping. I don't know where I parked. It's a little bit of an issue. I've been here for like 6 hours. Okay, so found my way back, but there's a fence here. But nailed it. Alright, we're back. I'll catch you boys on the flip side.